What's up guys, and welcome back to some insane news day. We've got the actual hands-on of the Galaxy S21 FE, some very, and I mean very important Galaxy S22 leaks that you need to see regarding the Snapdragon versus Exynos AMD division. But before we get into everything, it's all here. Samsung's entire 2022 smartphone lineup plans are leaked via South Korean media ELEC, and this just reveals everything. According to this info, Samsung has planned 67.2 million units for their flagship phones, and out of which we have 50% for the Galaxy S22 series. The S22 being the most produced model, followed by the Ultra, and then the Galaxy S22 Plus. Then we have 20% for Samsung's most important phones for next year, the whole foldable lineup, and out of which the Z Flip 4 will be the most produced unit. Now rest of the stuff is for the mid-range Galaxy phones, with Galaxy A53 getting a whopping 28% share, followed by the A33 and then Galaxy A13. Then comes the Galaxy A73 and the remaining M series. There we go, a big leak indeed, showing off the entire 2022 plan for the Galaxy S22 series, and of course Samsung's foldable and the A series. It doesn't get more crazier than this. Oh, actually it does. Samsung plans for Snapdragon/Exynos AMD distribution have changed suddenly. It seems like 70% of Galaxy S22 models will now be powered by Snapdragon 898 chip, while only 30% will be powered by the Exynos AMD chip. This is a breaking news, a sudden unexpected change of decision. According to multiple South Korean sources, Snapdragon 898 will now run in Samsung's home country of South Korea, meaning only Europe and possibly UK will get the Exynos 2200, while the rest of the world, including the Asian region and Samsung's home country, will get Snapdragon 898. This is something that no one expected, as Samsung always uses Exynos in more markets, but things are completely switching up. Now some people are disappointed because they're not getting the Exynos model, but don't count the Snapdragon out yet, because according to Universe, the performance of Snapdragon 898 GPU is far more than initially expected, so it's actually going to be a huge jump compared to the previous generation. While the Exynos 2200 is expected to be 50% faster than the Exynos 2100 from last year, it's still going to be a really tough battle against the Snapdragon 898. We've got to wait and see about that, but currently it seems like it can go either way. Imagine, even with AMD's help, if Samsung couldn't beat Qualcomm, then it's gonna be very disappointing. Once again, right now these are all rumors based on pre-production numbers, so no one really knows about the final performance / heat management, because that's going to be the big decider of the winner between these two chips when it comes to long-term performance. Oh, by the way, the Exynos 2200 won't get officially announced until November 19th, as Samsung itself officially responded on Twitter, so likely in December. For the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, Samsung will use 12% more premium material for its plastic design, likely even better flush matte finish. Hopefully with this decision, we can expect a good starting price for the Galaxy S22. We also have actual image for the front screen of the entire Galaxy S22 lineup, so you can see we have the rounded look for the S22 and S22 Plus, whereas the Ultra is a proper Note beast. Before we see the official announcement for the Galaxy S22 series in February, Samsung has S21 FE planned, and here we have the hands-on look of the actual phone in its full glory. Plastic build quality as expected, but surprisingly the front bezel is looking a lot slimmer than the S20 FE, so that's a noticeable improvement. With this, we also have the official marketing material out as well via EvLeaks. You can see Samsung is clearly taking a lot of pride for that nice display. The battery is said to be an all-day performer. It will have both Exynos 2100 / Snapdragon 888 chip, again depending on the market. With this leak, I gotta say it seals the deal for the S21 FE, even though we're still a month and a half away from the official announcement. In my opinion, it all comes down to the pricing for the S21 FE. Samsung has to create a crazy value with this phone, or else it's better to just buy the base Galaxy S22 with the next generation hardware. So that's all the latest news. Some big important leaks are here, especially the Snapdragon variant now covering 70% of the market, whereas the Exynos is only getting 30%. Let me know your thoughts on this big decision, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.